When it comes to riding, visibility can make all the difference, especially when drivers behind you need to know you're slowing down. That's why we're proud to bring you the brake light flasher module for the Can-Am Canyon. This compact module automatically pulses your brake light when the brakes are applied, helping grab the attention of drivers behind you before returning to a steady brake light. Best of all, the system is completely plug-and-play, designed specifically for the Can-Am Canyon with no cutting or splicing required. Now let's walk you through the installation on our Shop Can-Am Canyon Red Rock.
Before you begin, make sure your Canyon is on level ground with the ignition turned off and the parking brake engaged. Start by unlocking each of your saddlebags, if equipped, so you can remove them from the vehicle. Then pop off the passenger backrest attached to the top case and remove the top case as well. Then, push in on your ignition key and turn it clockwise to unlock and remove the driver's seat. If equipped, locate and unplug this harness. Then, remove your passenger seat and the multi-purpose plate underneath. Using a push-pin removal tool, remove these 4 push pins on the underside of the splash guard panel. Remove these 2 screws with a T25 Torx wrench. As well as these 3 screws with a T20 Torx wrench. Using a plastic pry tool, carefully insert it between the splash guard and the vehicle to remove the panel. Now locate one of your taillight harness connectors and unplug it from the vehicle. Apply a small dab of dielectric grease to both brake light flasher harness connectors. Then connect one of the flasher harnesses in line with the factory connector. Once connected, plug the flasher harness back into the vehicle. Repeat this same process for the remaining taillight harness. Now turn on your ignition and test functionality. If everything looks good, you can reinstall your panels and luggage in the reverse order they were removed.
Once installed, your Canyon now benefits from added visibility every time you hit the brakes. If you're ready to add the brake light flasher module to your Can-Am Canyon, head over to slingmods.com or click the link in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay plugged into everything on 3 wheels. We'll see you out on the road.